During the week, you commute to work. On the weekend, you discover new places and enjoy the peace and quiet in nature. Your bike is your modern companion and ready for anything. The MAGURA CT offers you the necessary safety and control in any road situation, whether you are just on asphalt or forest roads, in the city or on easy trails. What is standard in elite sports is just good enough for the city. The proven technology of the award-winning MAGURA MT series provides the template for brake calipers and performance of the new MAGURA CT. The particularly rigid and heat-resistant design allows safe braking even in the urban jungle. Rotors optimized for e-bikes provide additional stability and safety even on heavy e-bikes, so that you can rely on your bike day in and day out. The completely newly developed MAGURA CT Brake Master offers several features. The eye-catching enlarged oil reservoir reduces the risk of air in the system and thus facilitates handling enormously. Durable and quiet sport brake pads further support the durability. The ergonomics and the brake feel are perfectly matched to the requirements of city and all-road use. This is how you reach any destination in a relaxed way. With a clearly defined bite point and easy modulation, the CT conveys safety and control in every situation and can always be operated comfortably with low hand forces. The MAGURA CT makes your daily commute and the upcoming weekend trip a pleasure. Powerful, carefree, comfortable. MAGURA CT.